Fully armed and equipped to deal with any situation that might present itself, these figures will become a familiar sight on London's streets. The Metropolitan Police have deployed more armed officers to patrol the capital in the wake of recent and increasing terror attacks in Europe. Despite their uninviting demeanour, the hope is that the public will find armed police presence reassuring as well as approachable.
Generally, you'll see more firearms officers walking streets, getting out there, I hope being reassuring to people, talking to the public, and I hope the public will talk to them. Same officers, we still want them to be approachable.
The Met confirmed in January that an extra 600 armed officers were to be trained to counter the terror threat, bringing the total to around 2,800. As well as the armed response teams on public patrol, Scotland Yard has specialist counter-terrorism firearms squads who are on call 24 hours. And as seen in this demonstration, they're trained to operate on water, motorbike, and even to abseil. This new move may seem unsettling to some, but the hope is that with greater police presence, Britain will be better equipped to deal with any event that it may encounter.
Ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,